his and her subs.
So they don't touch.
Very nice. We have arrived and now it's time to set up camp with this beautiful view behind us. Jake is hard at work at the jacks. Ragnar is stressed out, mostly because he's hungry. I present to you my dog. But what is this boy doing? Hello? So we came to the beach. It's not a very beachy type day. It's a little chilly. There's barely any sun. And it's not warm. But hey, we're here. It's pretty. Come on, let's go. So perfect beach day, right?
Beautiful.
Actually, there's no one here, and Ragnar's just doing what he wants, and we're just walking the beach, and it's a grand old time. So
A little chilly.
A little chill, a little bit. Not bad. I present to you a Michigan classic, a metal death slide. Let's go. Jake is now also going to attempt the death slide. Be ready. A storm's a brewing on the Great Lakes. Hey, where's my ship? Good captain goes down with her ship.
Salty beer sounds like a porn star's name.
Salty. Oh God. What's down there, bud? Well, we are back at camp and we are eating our lunch inside the camper. Simple PBJs. But yeah, we are literally on a bluff on the lake and a storm blew up and we had to put the awning down and it's a whole thing. So Jake's hungry. Hi, babies.
Come on, Rag. Okay, slow. Slow. Hey, leave. Drop.
Beautiful beach day number 2.
Sunny at least.
Is it though? So we're at a different beach, just the other side of the like jetty out to the water. But we found we found some more death slides that I'm gonna go take a gander at in a moment. But right now, it's Ragnar frisbee time.
Go.
Oh, it's so slow! Well, that was depressing. Dairy Queen, we're gonna get some Dairy Queen. Thank you.
You're welcome. I love your pop song.
Oh, thank you. Ooh. You know, for saying I wanted something chocolatey and getting the complete opposite, this was the move.
What?
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 What? What? There's nothing over there.
Sit down. Sit down.
What's happening?
Those little girls are interesting.
Uh-huh. She told her dog to stop being a furry. I don't think she knows what that means. And if she does, she's too young to know what that means.
Legolas, what do your elf eyes see?
Orcs! But also a ship. This way. Hang on, get him! Get him! He's the best. My legs were tired from all the stairs. That just shows you how out of shape I am. Yeah! Gonna grab some ice, make some breakfast and some coffee, and then we gotta tear down. So this was our first solo trip, like just Jake and I and Ragnar. But because the camper that we have was my family's camper for like about 20 years, my parents bought a new one for themselves last year. And we inherited the old pop-up, which is now ours until the end of time. We have taken it before with some friends, but never just the two of us. So I'd say besides the rain, the awful rain, this was a very successful first trip. She's all packed up and we're ready to go home. What a view. Still not over it. I want to come back here. Okay, bye.